Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet. It is called Ain. It is pronounced as Ain, and the sound is A. It's the second part of A. A. So the articulation point, it is one of the halq, the throat letters. One of the 6 letters, okay, and it is pronounced from the middle of the throat. So as we said before, we have 2 letters from the lowest part of the throat, far from the mouth, nearest to the chest, and we have the top, which is nearest to the mouth, and we have the middle part. So middle part, ha, ain. So ain is the second letter of from the middle of the throat. So how it is pronounced? So you see the muscle of the throat should be tightened, okay, as the muscle of the throat is tightened here, cause the passage to become constricted. So it's tightened, then the passage is constricted and resulting in a squeezed sound. Ain, okay. That's the articulation point, okay. So next one is the heavy or light letters. It is one of the light letters because when we are pronouncing it, then our mouth or the lips remain flat or in the state as if we are going to start smiling. Ain, ain, okay. It is difficult for someone who hasn't used those muscles, throat muscles at all. For example, if you speak English, so we don't have equivalent in English, so it will be a difficult one, but with practice you will learn it. Is it a connector or non-connector? It is one of the connecting letters, one of the connectors, because if you see its connecting forms, it has, if it comes in the beginning of a word, then it connecting forms allow us to connect other letters with it after it, and if it comes in the middle of a word, then you connect other letters with it before or after it, and if it comes at the end of a word, then you can connect other letters with it before it, okay. So that's it fulfills the condition of a connector. So how to write it, let me explain that. So it has 2 parts, the top and the bottom, the head and the tail. The head is written above the line, okay, and the tail is written below, okay. The head is written above the line and the tail is written below. If you've noticed, the head is written like C, small c, and if you see the tail is written like a big C. So it's kind of connecting 2 C's, top and bottom, and different size, okay. That's C, but if you see in the other forms, then you'll see differently. In the beginning it looks like this, okay, but it remains on the top, on the line. In this case, the top remain on the line and the bottom below the line. But if it comes in the beginning, then it remains on the line, rests on the line. If it is in the middle, then it looks like this, okay. So you have to know the difference between this and there's another one, another letter coming, meme, so it will be similar. So you should know the difference between this and that when it comes in the middle, okay. And at the end it should look like this. So in the beginning it stays on the line, in the middle it stays on the line, and at the end the top part stays on the line and the bottom under the line, and you can connect them, okay. So again, you should remember this, all this in future, because you will see another letter similar to it. So you should be able to differentiate between them when you see them in the real examples, okay. How to connect it, write it, connect it like this, okay, like this, okay. 3-way connecting all of them, the beginning part, middle part, and the end part. So equivalent in English it does not have. So we do not have equivalent sound for it, or a letter for it in English. For transliteration purposes, we will be using this inverted comma sign, but I'll call it Ayn sign. So make it easy for you. This is Ayn sign. You will see another sign which is similar to it. So you should, if you are using transliteration a lot, then you should know the difference between this sign and that one. Okay, so this is Ayn sign. So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.